Following the recent incident at SABUDA under Block 2, the MDC of Mawhati, Charles MARNGAR, along with residents of SABUDA, have condemned the response of Meghalaya Home Minister LAHKMEN RYMBUI to the recent arrest of 3 KHASI locals by the Assam police on the 10th of April 2022. Speaking to the media, the headman of SABUDA, Shanroy Mukhim, informed that the arrest of the 3 locals, namely Dispar Singh Mukhim, Stanley Kriam and Barsan Lawai, by the Assam police was not intimated to the Darbar Shnong nor to family members. The headman of SABUDA also urged upon the state government to take up the issue and enable the transfer of the case from Assam to Meghalaya.
Bayi yang Assam, ke banga mungkin orang ni kita kaba, kita minum tip ya kata kaba, kasorkar kembang di Assam bala kan barang boy orang nin beila orang ba, mereka yang jang kasorkar kamla ban transfer ya taki beliau jengi na po ahlan sepo Meghalaya, mereka yang jengi tip ba la nem la andre ikapat ya kasorkar ba.
While referring to the incident, the MDC of Mawhati constituency, Charles MARNGAR, informed that the case as per the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984 that has been registered against the arrested is not a severe one, except that the same has been done in Assam. He slammed the MDA government for its lack of responsibility towards its own people. MARNGAR added that such action by the government only shows that it has already surrendered to Assam's demand of areas belonging to Meghalaya.
Tinrai ka case ka bagi panahap iki ke panahap the Prevention to Damage of Property Public Property Act 1984. Hajing sisa lele ka case kam dadai ka ba hadu kata. Taki mo ngi pi ka case kam dadai than ka ba hadu kata. Tinrai kala no namar ba. Kia kini gibreu jongi lakit sa Assam. Haga jaka ka ban transferring isang ni. Dengan ong yang sisien ba. Kani ke jingle jong ka state ke jongi. Ke jing penjam jong ka state ke jongi. Kadai pangila sarandar lupa. Bakani ke jaka kandai jong ka Assam. Kata kalau saya kira. Ladaki semua tu bagadai ke disputed ka state jongi ka debat pene. Buat kam dewan aina, bayi gibreu jongi ingin bisa himengi ke. Boleh ke Assam kan bisa.